Hi, this is Glenn Oliver, and I'm with Real Time with DesignCon here at DesignCon on the floor. And I have with me here John Coonrod, who is an engineer for market that's developing market for high-frequency materials in Rogers. And John, you did a workshop with me,
Yes,
actually, on Tuesday.
Yep.
What was the main theme that you were trying to get across in this workshop?
Right. Actually, I enjoyed the workshop. We really worked together good as a team. What we're trying to do really was show the industry what the different test methods are and some of the pros and cons of the different test methods. Some of the things you can look out for, how some test methods are better for other scenarios, some scenarios and other scenarios, and really more of educational more than anything else. And also we had some demonstrations as well, so we really kind of wanted to mix it up, show different test methods, why some are used for certain scenarios and others maybe not, or better for some than others, and then more of education than anything else.
You know, and why is that important? I mean, isn't a dielectric constant and loss tangent, I mean, isn't that just kind of a trivial material property that everybody has and there's no real issues with it? I mean, why is it an issue that people have to understand?
Right, yeah. Actually, as I've gone through a lot of engineering school and classes, they bring up dissipation factor and dielectric constant often to do problems, but they don't tell you that there's a lot of variables associated with those numbers. So what we're trying to do is really educate the industry that dielectric constant really is not a constant. There's much more to it than that. Same with dissipation factor. There's some dependencies there as well, and depending on how it's tested and what you use in the material for, that could also behave different.
Yeah. And as you go up higher in frequency, it gets even more complicated as you go up higher. There's some activity going on in the industry through IPC. One of the things that IPC is trying to do through its committee on dielectric test methods, and we have a task group working on that are kind of getting people together to work together on this. It's called the D24C committee in IPC. If you Google that, it'll come right up. But if you're interested in learning about this, then why should people be interested in that, John?
Well, it's actually a very good committee and group to be a part of, because it's really trying to look at test methods that already exist and understand what the next level of test methods should be for higher frequencies and other applications. So it's really a good committee to be a part of, and trying to understand standards that could be used in the future for future applications, higher frequencies, things like that.
Yeah, and here at DesignCon, they're talking about 25 gigabit per second channels and even 100 gigabit per second channels. And really, materials make a really big difference in terms of the performance. And the better we understand them, the better designs can be in the future. So, how was the workshop?
Oh, actually, I thought it was very well. It was well attended. I'm guessing we had over 100 people just from looking through the audience.
Yeah.
We had quite a range of people from different disciplines, different companies, some fabricators, some OEMs, some material people. So we really had a good cross-section. Had a lot of good interaction, people coming up, looking at the demonstrations and the fixtures and things. So I thought overall it went really well.
And but at any rate, guys, when you're out there and you're thinking about high-frequency materials, our companies both are dealing with different types of high-frequency materials, but most importantly, we want to make sure that customers get the right material for what they're doing. And here at DesignCon, it's high-speed digital, and it seems to be a very important thing that people are talking about. So we're going to continue working on it, and look for us, and we will be out at other shows. So with Real Time with DesignCon, this is Glenn Oliver, guest interviewer with John Coonrod from Rogers. Thanks.
Thank you.